Welcome back, guys! For today's recipe, we'll be making tuna kinilaw in two different ways. First is the traditional kinilaw and the other is the creamy kinilaw. Sounds exciting! So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching till the end!
Cup, cup. Hang up.
To start, here are our ingredients. We have our fresh tuna, cucumber, ginger, lemon, onion, red and yellow capsicum. Then, let's sprinkle our tuna with lemon, then into the plate. Then mix all of the ingredients except for the tuna. Then add our salt, black pepper, sugar, and vinegar. Then mix it all. And now we're ready to plate. Then add the tuna. Then garnish it with spring onions, red and yellow capsicum. Wow! Look at that! Freshly made traditional tuna kinilaw. Next, we have our creamy kinilaw. Same ingredients, except we add some lettuce and slice the ingredients differently. Then, let's sprinkle our tuna with lemon. Then into the bowl, add some mayonnaise or yogurt. Then fresh milk. And then vinegar. Then mix it. And lastly, add some sugar to taste.